It's Leland from the H.A.G.S, and school's out for me now, so like I promised, I'll be getting out a lot more videos, at least 3 a week, but I'll try and do a lot more than that. I'll do the best I can. If I'm busy sometimes, the minimum will be 3 a week, so like every other day. But, wow, I can do math. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great summer too. If you still have a week of school left. Yeah, you keep eating. Okay, so if you guys have some people I know have some people their schools have a week left still. So if you do have a week left, don't worry. Keep surviving. Just keep surviving. You'll make it. One more week. Everybody's almost done or done by now. So if you're still in school, have a great rest of your year, and I'll be putting out as many videos as I can. Bye, guys. You guys want to say hi too? Say happy summer. Happy summer. These are my parakeets. I don't know if you've seen them unless you're following me on Instagram. Okay, bye.